one of the most important things to do in a blizzard is to make sure you drink plenty of warm liquids. Also, make sure to avoid drinking alcohol and caffeine. During a blizzard, it's very important to make sure that you stay active so that you can maintain your body heat. During these rough times and drastic changes, it is really important for you to keep your emergency kit on hand at any time. Vitamins, food, water, first aid kit, flashlight, batteries, and a lighter are just some of the things you can keep in your emergency kit. If your current shelter loses power or heat and you can't evacuate, make sure to stay in one room of your house and close all unnecessary rooms. If you can safely drive, make sure you go to your nearest emergency shelter.